Welcome to 2-Minute EasyConversation by a peasant. This conversation between shopkeeper and customer. Welcome, sir. How could you help you? I want to buy a better mobile for gift. Samsung or others, sir? A Samsung mobile, please. Please have a look at its showcase. You can see all kinds of Samsung mobile. Thank you. Please show me the third one. Of course, here it is. How nice. What's the price? 23,900 only. 23,900? That's too much. Not at all. It's a genuine Samsung product, sir. But I want a cheaper one. Don't you have one? Why not? Look at this side. The fourth row also. They are also nice. How much is fifth one? All these in this row, they have same price, around 14,000 only. But aren't others mobile generally notorious for their poor quality? Don't worry, these are not smuggling goods. We sell genuine product. Well, what's its configuration? It has 4 and 64 GB storage, 128 external memories, 16.21 cm infinity display, 60,000 mAh long-lasting battery, and dual camera also. Alright, take this one. Here is your price, 13,900. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.